Pratique inglês todos os dias, ouça, fale, pratique e melhore suas habilidades linguísticas com a gente. Quando terminar, continue praticando no nosso app. É grátis. Link na descrição. Hora de praticar.
Thank you for inviting me today. Thank you for inviting me today.
Agradeço o convite para hoje.
Thank you for inviting me today. Thank you for inviting me today. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you.
É um prazer conhecê-los.
I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. I am excited about this role. I am excited about this role.
Estou entusiasmado com esta oportunidade.
I am excited about this role. I am excited about this role. I have 3 years of claims experience. I have 3 years of claims experience.
Tenho 3 anos de experiência em sinistros.
I have 3 years of claims experience. I have 3 years of claims experience. I worked as a property adjuster. I worked as a property adjuster.
Trabalhei como regulador de sinistros de propriedade.
I worked as a property adjuster. I worked as a property adjuster. I handled auto claims as well. I handled auto claims as well.
Também atuei com sinistros de auto.
I handled auto claims as well. I handled auto claims as well. I am licensed in this state. I am licensed in this state.
Sou licenciado neste estado.
I am licensed in this state. I am licensed in this state. I also hold a Texas All Lines license. I also hold a Texas All Lines license.
Também possuo licença All Lines do Texas.
I also hold a Texas All Lines license. I also hold a Texas All Lines license. I keep my CE credits up to date. I keep my CE credits up to date.
Mantenho meus créditos de educação continuada em dia.
I keep my CE credits up to date. I keep my CE credits up to date. I value strong customer service. I value strong customer service.
Valorizo atendimento ao cliente de excelência.
I value strong customer service. I value strong customer service. I communicate clearly with policyholders. I communicate clearly with policyholders.
Me comunico com clareza com os segurados.
I communicate clearly with policyholders. I communicate clearly with policyholders. I stay calm under pressure. I stay calm under pressure.
Mantenho a calma sob pressão.
I stay calm under pressure. I stay calm under pressure. I manage a high caseload well. I manage a high caseload well.
Gerencio bem grande volume de sinistros.
I manage a high caseload well. I manage a high caseload well. I meet deadlines consistently. I meet deadlines consistently.
Cumpro prazos consistentemente.
I meet deadlines consistently. I meet deadlines consistently. I document every step of a claim. I document every step of a claim.
Documento cada etapa de sinistro.
I document every step of a claim. I document every step of a claim. I write detailed notes after each call. I write detailed notes after each call.
Escrevo anotações detalhadas após cada ligação.
I write detailed notes after each call. I write detailed notes after each call. I take clear photos at inspections. I take clear photos at inspections.
Tiro fotos nítidas nas vistorias.
I take clear photos at inspections. I take clear photos at inspections. I verify coverage before I inspect. I verify coverage before I inspect.
Verifico a cobertura antes de vistoriar.
I verify coverage before I inspect. I verify coverage before I inspect. I explain coverage in plain language. I explain coverage in plain language.
Explico a cobertura em linguagem simples.
I explain coverage in plain language. I explain coverage in plain language. I set expectations early with the customer. I set expectations early with the customer.
Alinho expectativas logo no início com o cliente.
I set expectations early with the customer. I set expectations early with the customer. I call the insured within 24 hours. I call the insured within 24 hours.
Ligo para o segurado em até 24 horas.
I call the insured within 24 hours. I call the insured within 24 hours. I schedule inspections quickly. I schedule inspections quickly.
Agendo as vistorias com rapidez.
I schedule inspections quickly. I schedule inspections quickly. I confirm appointments by email. I confirm appointments by email.
Confirmo os compromissos por e-mail.
I confirm appointments by email. I confirm appointments by email. I arrive on time to every inspection. I arrive on time to every inspection.
Chego pontualmente a todas as vistorias.
I arrive on time to every inspection. I arrive on time to every inspection. I wear safety gear on site. I wear safety gear on site.
Uso equipamentos de segurança no local.
I wear safety gear on site. I wear safety gear on site. I follow carrier guidelines closely. I follow carrier guidelines closely.
Sigo de perto as diretrizes da seguradora.
I follow carrier guidelines closely. I follow carrier guidelines closely. I estimate damages accurately. I estimate damages accurately.
Estimo os danos com precisão.
I estimate damages accurately. I estimate damages accurately. I use Xactimate for estimates. I use Xactimate for estimates.
Uso o Xactimate para estimativas.
I use Xactimate for estimates. I use Xactimate for estimates. I can also use Symbility. I can also use Symbility.
Também sei usar o Symbility.
I can also use Symbility. I can also use Symbility. I know CCC1 for auto estimates. I know CCC1 for auto estimates.
Conheço o CCC1 para estimativas de alto.
I know CCC1 for auto estimates. I know CCC1 for auto estimates. I measure rooms and roofs carefully. I measure rooms and roofs carefully.
Meço cômodos e telhados com cuidado.
I measure rooms and roofs carefully. I measure rooms and roofs carefully. I sketch the scope of loss. I sketch the scope of loss.
Elaboro o croquis do escopo da perda.
I sketch the scope of loss. I sketch the scope of loss. I check for hidden damage. I check for hidden damage.
Verifico danos ocultos.
I check for hidden damage. I check for hidden damage. I ask good questions on scene. I ask good questions on scene.
Faço boas perguntas no local.
I ask good questions on scene. I ask good questions on scene. I listen closely to the insured. I listen closely to the insured.
Ouço atentamente o segurado.
I listen closely to the insured. I listen closely to the insured. I gather statements when needed. I gather statements when needed.
Reúno declarações quando necessário.
I gather statements when needed. I gather statements when needed. I request repair invoices for proof. I request repair invoices for proof.
Solicito notas fiscais de reparo como comprovação.
I request repair invoices for proof. I request repair invoices for proof. I review photos and receipts. I review photos and receipts.
Reviso fotos e recibos.
I review photos and receipts. I review photos and receipts. I confirm the cause of loss. I confirm the cause of loss.
Confirmo a causa da perda.
I confirm the cause of loss. I confirm the cause of loss. I rule out wear and tear. I rule out wear and tear.
Descarto desgaste natural.
I rule out wear and tear. I rule out wear and tear. I look for signs of fraud. I look for signs of fraud.
Procuro sinais de fraude.
I look for signs of fraud. I look for signs of fraud. I escalate suspicious claims. I escalate suspicious claims.
Encaminho sinistros suspeitos para investigação.
I escalate suspicious claims. I escalate suspicious claims. I calculate ACV and RCV correctly. I calculate ACV and RCV correctly.
Calculo corretamente ACV e RCV.
I calculate ACV and RCV correctly. I calculate ACV and RCV correctly. I explain depreciation to customers. I explain depreciation to customers.
Explico a depreciação aos clientes.
I explain depreciation to customers. I explain depreciation to customers. I set fair and timely reserves. I set fair and timely reserves.
Defino reservas justas e tempestivas.
I set fair and timely reserves. I set fair and timely reserves. I negotiate with contractors politely. I negotiate with contractors politely.
Negocio educadamente com empreiteiros.
I negotiate with contractors politely. I negotiate with contractors politely. I handle supplements quickly. I handle supplements quickly.
Trato suplementos com agilidade.
I handle supplements quickly. I handle supplements quickly. I approve reasonable repairs. I approve reasonable repairs.
Aprovo reparos razoáveis.
I approve reasonable repairs. I approve reasonable repairs. I deny non-covered items with care. I deny non-covered items with care.
Nego itens não cobertos com cuidado.
I deny non-covered items with care. I deny non-covered items with care. I cite policy language in decisions. I cite policy language in decisions.
Cito a redação da apólice nas decisões.
I cite policy language in decisions. I cite policy language in decisions. I keep phone calls professional. I keep phone calls professional.
Mantenho as ligações profissionais.
I keep phone calls professional. I keep phone calls professional. I return messages the same day. I return messages the same day.
Retorno as mensagens no mesmo dia.
I return messages the same day. I return messages the same day. I update the file after each task. I update the file after each task.
Atualizo o arquivo do sinistro após cada tarefa.
I update the file after each task. I update the file after each task. I keep my diary current. I keep my diary current.
Mantenho meu diário atualizado.
I keep my diary current. I keep my diary current. I close claims efficiently. I close claims efficiently.
Encerro sinistros com eficiência.
I close claims efficiently. I close claims efficiently. I balance quality and speed. I balance quality and speed.
Equilibro qualidade e rapidez.
I balance quality and speed. I balance quality and speed. I keep empathy in every call. I keep empathy in every call.
Mantenho empatia em todas as ligações.
I keep empathy in every call. I keep empathy in every call. I respect privacy and data rules. I respect privacy and data rules.
Respeito a privacidade e as normas de proteção de dados.
I respect privacy and data rules. I respect privacy and data rules. I follow state claim laws. I follow state claim laws.
Sigo as leis estaduais aplicáveis a sinistros.
I follow state claim laws. I follow state claim laws. I avoid unfair claim practices. I avoid unfair claim practices.
Evito práticas desleais de regulação de sinistros.
I avoid unfair claim practices. I avoid unfair claim practices. I act in good faith at all times. I act in good faith at all times.
Procedo de boa fé em todos os momentos.
I act in good faith at all times. I act in good faith at all times. I take ownership of my files. I take ownership of my files.
Assumo responsabilidade pelos meus sinistros.
I take ownership of my files. I take ownership of my files. I ask for help when needed. I ask for help when needed.
Peço ajuda quando necessário.
I ask for help when needed. I ask for help when needed. I work well on a team. I work well on a team.
Trabalho bem em equipe.
I work well on a team. I work well on a team. I share knowledge with peers. I share knowledge with peers.
Compartilho conhecimento com os colegas.
I share knowledge with peers. I share knowledge with peers. I train new adjusters when asked. I train new adjusters when asked.
Treino novos reguladores de sinistros quando solicitado.
I train new adjusters when asked. I train new adjusters when asked. I stay flexible during CAD duty. I stay flexible during CAD duty.
Mantenho flexibilidade durante operações de catástrofe, CAT.
I stay flexible during CAD duty. I stay flexible during CAD duty. I can travel on short notice. I can travel on short notice.
Posso viajar com pouca antecedência.
I can travel on short notice. I can travel on short notice. I can work evenings and weekends. I can work evenings and weekends.
Posso trabalhar à noite e nos fins de semana.
I can work evenings and weekends. I can work evenings and weekends. I am comfortable with long hours. I am comfortable with long hours.
Estou confortável com longas jornadas.
I am comfortable with long hours. I am comfortable with long hours. I manage stress in healthy ways. I manage stress in healthy ways.
Gerencio o estresse de maneiras saudáveis.
I manage stress in healthy ways. I manage stress in healthy ways. I use checklists to stay organized. I use checklists to stay organized.
Uso checklists para manter a organização.
I use checklists to stay organized. I use checklists to stay organized. I prioritize urgent tasks first. I prioritize urgent tasks first.
Priorizo as tarefas urgentes.
I prioritize urgent tasks first. I prioritize urgent tasks first. I set clear daily goals. I set clear daily goals.
Estabeleço metas diárias claras.
I set clear daily goals. I set clear daily goals. I track my metrics and results. I track my metrics and results.
Acompanho minhas métricas e resultados.
I track my metrics and results. I track my metrics and results. I meet contact and cycle time goals. I meet contact and cycle time goals.
Cumpro as metas de contato e de tempo de ciclo.
I meet contact and cycle time goals. I meet contact and cycle time goals. I improve my process each month. I improve my process each month.
Melhoro meu processo a cada mês.
I improve my process each month. I improve my process each month. I welcome feedback from leaders. I welcome feedback from leaders.
Recebo bem o feedback dos líderes.
I welcome feedback from leaders. I welcome feedback from leaders. I handle difficult customers with care. I handle difficult customers with care.
Lido com clientes difíceis com cuidado.
I handle difficult customers with care. I handle difficult customers with care. I de-escalate angry calls. I de-escalate angry calls.
Acalmo ligações de clientes irritados.
I de-escalate angry calls. I de-escalate angry calls. I apologize when we fall short. I apologize when we fall short.
Peço desculpas quando ficamos aquém.
I apologize when we fall short. I apologize when we fall short. I offer options and next steps. I offer options and next steps.
Ofereço opções e próximos passos.
I offer options and next steps. I offer options and next steps. I keep my tone friendly and firm. I keep my tone friendly and firm.
Mantenho tom amigável e firme.
I keep my tone friendly and firm. I keep my tone friendly and firm. I confirm understanding before I close. I confirm understanding before I close.
Confirmo o entendimento antes de encerrar.
I confirm understanding before I close. I confirm understanding before I close. I summarize the plan in writing. I summarize the plan in writing.
Resumo o plano por escrito.
I summarize the plan in writing. I summarize the plan in writing. I send follow-up letters and emails. I send follow-up letters and emails.
Envio cartas e e-mails de acompanhamento.
I send follow-up letters and emails. I send follow-up letters and emails. I explain deductibles and limits. I explain deductibles and limits.
Explico franquias e limites.
I explain deductibles and limits. I explain deductibles and limits. I discuss endorsements when relevant. I discuss endorsements when relevant.
Discuto endossos quando pertinente.
I discuss endorsements when relevant. I discuss endorsements when relevant. I check for prior losses. I check for prior losses.
Verifico sinistros anteriores.
I check for prior losses. I check for prior losses. I coordinate with body shops. I coordinate with body shops.
Coordeno com oficinas de funilaria e pintura.
I coordinate with body shops. I coordinate with body shops. I coordinate with contractors. I coordinate with contractors.
Coordeno com empreiteiros.
I coordinate with contractors. I coordinate with contractors. I work with independent adjusters. I work with independent adjusters.
Trabalho com reguladores independentes.
I work with independent adjusters. I work with independent adjusters. I work with engineers when needed. I work with engineers when needed.
Trabalho com engenheiros quando necessário.
I work with engineers when needed. I work with engineers when needed.
Obrigado por assistir. Inscreva-se no canal e ative as notificações para receber novos vídeos e continuar sua jornada no inglês.